Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now, if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So this is healthy, this is vegetarian, this is vegan, this is delicious. Nice kind of budget meal really. We're going to do some cabbage and potatoes. Absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So we've got cabbage, tomatoes and potatoes. Now the ratio of these is entirely up to you. I've got about 6 or 7 cups of white cabbage and I've shredded it quite thin. Again, do it chunky if you want. I've got 3 regular sized tomatoes there, and I've probably got about 3 to 4 cups of potato, which I've cut quite chunky. 1 cup of onion, nice tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then just a teaspoon each of cumin powder, chili powder, and turmeric. Let's get moving on this. So I've got some oil in there. Let me just grab a spoon. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use something different if you want. I've got about 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil, which might sound a lot, but we're going to be frying the potatoes off in them. Let's first of all add our 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And I've just put the heat on medium. And then we're going to get our potatoes, get them in, and we're going to fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes. Very simple. Okay, so that's just like 4 or so minutes. Now these potatoes are still very, very hard, but that's no problem because we've got a long way to go yet. Next up, we're going to drop in 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, I'm going to add some salt, I'm going to add some black pepper, and I'm going to go for another 3 minutes, stirring often. Really wonderful. Next up, we're going to drop in the tomatoes. I've got 3 regular sized tomatoes here. Try and use a nice ripe tomato, and let's get in our spices. Now this is what I'm using, but you can really change this around and use whatever you want. I'm going with a teaspoon of chili powder, cumin powder, and turmeric. So stay on this medium type heat. We want to go for about 6 minutes now, because what we want to do is cook those tomatoes right down. And perhaps, if we're lucky, we're going to get a little bit of moisture or water out of those tomatoes. Now, I'm really lucky that I got quite a lot of moisture from my tomatoes as they're breaking down. If not, add a bit of water. Next up, we're going to add our cabbage. Just, it's shredded quite finely. Now we're going to go for about another 5 or 6 minutes, or until your potatoes are nice and tender. But yeah, we've done it. Beautiful stuff. Very easy and very, very delicious. Okay, so off goes the heat. I've still retained, a fair amount of moisture in there. Now, if you found your potatoes still a bit hard, you could drop a little bit of water in there. It really helped them cook out. I didn't need to do that, but all done. Check that for salt and pepper. I'm just going to put in here some parsley now. I've got some flat leaf parsley chopped, which I'm going to just run through there. And that's beautiful. All right, and there you go. That's really nice and easy, beautiful, healthy, vegetarian and vegan, delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, and I'll see you very, very soon. Lots of love.